Good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are in the world today. So, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about free and paid traffic methods and why you should be using both. Okay. Now, before I start this video, I want to let you guys know that when it comes to paid traffic, it does not guarantee sales. The reason why I'm bringing this up this early in the video is because there seems to be a big misconception amongst some marketers that when you pay for traffic, it guarantees you sales. So no, it does not guarantee you sales. Let's just clear that up right now. There are no guarantees in sales and network marketing. And when you pay for traffic, that same concept applies. All right. Now, having said that, paid traffic is a great way to basically build your list. Okay. Now, when you start an online business, you're giving capture pages and you're giving sales pages to use to promote your opportunity. All right. When you pay for traffic, you want to use those capture pages as the website that you're sending the traffic to. Now, whether you buy traffic from Udemy or whether you buy it from someone else, you have to understand that you need to use capture pages because there's a saying that the fortune is in the follow-up, and you want to make sure that you have a system in place where it follows up for you and also where you can follow up yourself directly with those prospects. Because more than likely, if you're not familiar with this concept, then you're going to learn about it right now. People don't buy on the first shot right away. Okay, they don't buy on the second attempt. They usually buy on the seventh or eighth attempt. Okay, so you're gonna have to follow up with people. Then you're gonna want to have a system in place that follows up with them as well. Okay, now let's talk about free traffic for a second. All right, free traffic is also another good method to get leads. Okay, that's gonna take a little more effort. Okay, because more than likely most people like to advertise on social media platforms like Facebook, like a YouTube, like an Instagram to get their leads. Okay. Now, free traffic, it does take time, but it can be worthwhile and it can be beneficial if you're doing it the right way. And I'm not talking about spamming people's inboxes. I'm not talking about posting your link in Facebook groups 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay. You have to do it a little bit better than that. You have to be smarter about your marketing. Okay. So don't spam people's inbox and don't post in Facebook groups 24/7. Okay. Now, the reason why you need to be doing both paid traffic and free traffic is because you want to expand your horizons. You don't want to just focus on one traffic source. You want to have multiple traffic sources to help you gain followers, not gain followers, but gain customers into your business so you can follow up with them directly. Okay. By utilizing both sources, you're not limiting yourself to just one option. Okay. Each one has their benefits, and the more you experiment with each one, the better off that you'll be. Now, I know that a lot of people are in a position where they don't have that much money to start up with paid traffic, and that's fine. What you want to do, you want to advertise on social media platforms. You want to build up that free traffic. You want to gain a couple sales from that free traffic, and then when you do start bringing in sales, you want to invest a portion of your profits back into your business and into paid traffic. Okay, because paid traffic is a great way, as I said, to help you build a list. All right, and it's a great way to have opt-ins from people that opt into your capture page, and that way you can follow up with them directly, and you can have your system do that as well. All right, so I encourage everyone to do both methods. And if you're short on cash, I know of a great way where you can potentially gain opt-ins for your business. And I'm going to show you a little bit of results with mine. Now, again, paid traffic does not guarantee sales, but with the source that I've used, I've gotten consistent opt-ins. All right, so I'm going to show you my business here. And as you guys, many of you might know, I promote the $25 one up business. So basically, these are my stats from Sunday, this past Sunday, yesterday, and today. Okay, now I paid for traffic on Friday. Okay, this past Friday I paid for traffic. I paid $20, right? And I got a great deal on the package that I paid for. Okay, so I'm not gonna get into details about that package, but basically it was an email blast, a series of email blasts, and you can see here I have 6 opt-ins. that Sunday. I have another 3 that Monday, and and today I have 1. But over the Friday and the Saturday, I've gotten many more options. I wish I could show you the traffic from that past week, but I can't. But just know that the traffic was working for me right away. All right, bringing me options. So now these people are on my list. I can have the system follow up with them automatically, and I can follow with them myself, which is what I'm actually going to do after I'm done with this video. But again, guys, just know that paid traffic is a great way to build a list. All right, free traffic can help you build that same list also, but it's just going to take a little bit more time. All right, so I encourage you guys to use both simply because you have more options at your disposal. And if you're on a budget, then you can utilize the free traffic to set up paid traffic. All right. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got a little bit of value out of it. Hopefully help some of you get a little more clearer understanding of the free and paid traffic debate. But in the meantime, hope you guys have a great night, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. And don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I will be releasing more content soon. And hopefully you guys, like I said, have a great day or a great night wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you on my next video. All right, take care, guys.